Good morning, everybody. This is Seth David, and this is our webcast for Monday, October 6th, 2008. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I hope everybody's geared up for a great week. I know I am. I spent some time yesterday getting organized and realizing how important that is. How important it helps me. I actually planned out my entire month of October for the rest of the month, and in the process sent some emails out to some clients to set up appointments, and actually generated more business as a result of those actions. So literally getting myself organized, which in my case meant going through my client list and seeing who needed what and when I figured they'd need it, and then sending out emails along those lines to update them and schedule things. It actually generated more business for me. So being of service is something I've written about recently in my blog. Really going out of your way to help somebody oftentimes has a way of paying you back, and that's literally what it did for me. I seriously went out just to try and help my clients out and make sure that I was on top of everything that they would hope for me to be on top of, and in the process I was able to generate more business. So something to think about. Take this into your week with you. Think about how you can be of service to other people. Even if you're at a 9 to 5 job, be of service. Be of service to your coworkers. Be of service to your boss. Go out of your way. Think of your company that you work for and your boss and even your coworkers as clients that you're providing a service to. And I know when I did that while I was still employed at a company, it helped me get much more motivated. I in turn performed better on my job, and then I went on, as you all know, to start my own company. And I carried that in with me to that process. And, I've built my company really on the basis of making every effort to be of service to others, while at the same time making sure that it's a good fit. Because I wanted to be careful when I started my company about whom I chose to spend my time with and surround myself with. And to that end, I wanted to make sure I didn't surround myself with any negative people. So I've been very selective over the years about whom I work with, and I've turned many clients away. And I've found that by doing that, it really just enhances my own lifestyle. And what I've done is I've ensured that my own surroundings are pleasant surroundings. And so every day when I get up, I can't wait to get up and start my day, because I can't wait to see the people I'm going to see, because they consist really only of people whom I want to see and I want to spend time with. I don't spend time with people who I don't enjoy spending time with. And that's the bottom line. And if I see a client walking in my door, and I'm speaking figuratively, but if I see somebody coming into my door and I get the sense that it's a negative person or somebody who I'm just not going to enjoy the process of working with, I don't hesitate to say, look, I'm sorry, this isn't going to work. And that's my message to you. I'm going to take you over, of course, into our tip for the day. And today's tip is a very, very special one. As I often say, this one is going to change your life. It really won't, but it'll really help you get an understanding of what's going on in the world of QuickBooks. And I just need to take us into a full screen view here before I actually show you what I'm going to show you. I really am excited about this, actually, because QuickBooks comes out with a new version every year. And a lot of people complain that they have to pay to upgrade. The reality is, my experience has been that it's just about every other year that we find that I've found that I really like the upgrades that they've made. And sure enough, 2009 has proven to be another example of that. 2007 I felt was a big improvement over 2006. 2008, to be honest, I wasn't so happy with. I actually stuck with 2007 in my own QuickBooks, but obviously as a professional who works in QuickBooks, I had to have 2008 available for the clients who did buy it. And now I've got 2009. It just came out. I got my copy as a QuickBooks Pro advisor, and I'm showing it to you right now. The home screen is what you're already familiar with if you've had the previous versions. And what I want to show you is just one new thing they've added, which is this company snapshot, which I think is just really great. It's just a quick little overview of how everything is doing. As always, I've got us in a sample company file. But over here it gives me an income and expense graph and lets me know for October, November, and December. Remember, this is a sample company file, so it puts us into the future in terms of our date range. And but it gives me this sample and shows me an income and expense graph. Down here I can see my account balances sorted in order of balance, but of course I can click on account and it will sort it in order of account name. Customers, who owes me money. Vendors, whom do I owe money? Excuse me. Well, that was timely. Vendors, whom do I owe money to? And then it's got my reminder screen here. And more, I think the reminders is becoming something that people really want in QuickBooks, because there's so much that ties directly into our financial lives that we want to be reminded about. And really up until now, and probably still now even to some extent, I've told people that you really need to rely on a program like Outlook or some calendar program that gives you reminders about things. But it's getting better. The problem with the QuickBooks reminders, in my opinion, in the past has been that it's just a quick thing that flashes up on your screen, and most of us get into the habit of just clicking to close it because we just want to get into our company file. But now with this company snapshot, anytime we click on that, it shows up right in front of us here, and it lets me know I've got undeposited payments, it lets me know I've got past due invoices, and so on and so forth. So it's really helpful, I think, to have this company snapshot available. There's also a new version, really, of what in previous versions was called the accountant's copy. Now they have what they call a client review. Every year they're trying to improve this substantially to make it possible for you to send somebody like me a copy of your QuickBooks file such that I can review it and you can still continue to enter transactions, and then we can import my changes after I'm done. This way I don't have to send you adjustments and have you figure out how to post them and so on and so forth. So I'm pretty excited about this. If you want to get your own copy of this, it's very simple, of course. All you have to do is go to our website, www.nerdenterprises.com, and at the top right here you'll see the link I have that says QuickBooks Affiliate. Because I'm a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, I get the opportunity to provide you with discounts by purchasing Intuit software through my website. So if you click on this link, you'll get it at about a 20% discount compared with what you'll pay if you walk into the store or if you just buy it directly online. So go ahead and visit our website at www.nerdenterprises.com. and click on this QuickBooks Affiliate link. They still haven't updated the images, so when you see it, you'll see 2008, but rest assured, once you click through to purchase, you'll see from those images that it is in fact the 2009 version that you're buying. And they've even come out with 2009 for Mac users too, so that's exciting. I haven't had a chance to look at that yet, but obviously once I do, I'll give a webcast based on that. Again, I hope everybody is up to a great week, off to a great start, and look for another great webcast from us on Wednesday early in the morning. And visit our website, and we hope to see you around. Have a great week.